I gotta sit here now and let the time go a little bit so that people who watch, you know, they don't know if I completed it or not. Because if the video is too short, then they're like, oh man, he didn't last that long.
That's what she said.
Hey, what's up everyone, Danny here. This is going to be a different video than I usually post on the channel. So if you're only here to see the PC and tech related stuff, then you're probably gonna want to skip this one. But I'm gonna be doing the Bring Sally Up push-up challenge. It's been about a month since I've worked out. I have been really bad about keeping up with my working out, especially since I don't have a gym membership anymore. I do everything at home. And it's easy to really get lazy and say, oh, I'll just do it tomorrow because I can do it anytime. And then tomorrow becomes a month. So it's a new year, as cliche as it sounds. I do want to get back in the groove of things in terms of working out and fitness. So I don't know how I'm going to do. I've seen really fit and athletic YouTubers not be able to pass it. So that's a little bit intimidating, but I'm just going to try my best. But yeah, here goes. Make sure I'm fully in frame so you can see that I'm not cheating. Okay, I think this is good. So the song starts in the down position. So as soon as the song starts and it says Bring Sally Up, I'm going to start it. So let's go.
Bring Sally up, bring Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Bring Sally up, bring Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Bring Sally up, bring Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Bring Sally up, bring Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Bring Sally up, bring Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Bring Sally up, bring Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Bring Sally up, bring Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Bring Sally up, bring Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Oh, Miss Lucy dead and gone, left me here to weep and moan. Bring Sally up, bring Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Bring Sally up, bring Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Bring Sally up, bring Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Bring Sally up, bring Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Bring Sally up, bring Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Oh, Miss Lucy dead and gone, left me here to weep and moan. Bring Sally up, bring Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Bring Sally up, bring Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Bring Sally up, bring Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Bring Sally up, bring Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Bring Sally up, bring Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Oh, Miss Lucy dead and gone, left me here to weep and moan. Bring Sally up, bring Sally down.
I can't do it.
You lose.
2 minutes. I lasted 2 minutes. And the song is 3.5 minutes long. So that's like, not even, that's like 60% if that. Wow. I thought I would be able to at least make it to 3 minutes. Ooh, okay. So, looks like I need to get back in shape. I am going to complete this challenge at some point. So, yeah, let's get back into it.